Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shataria, but I go by Shay, and welcome to Shady Shay.
Baby, I kiss you, kiss me, promise I won't tell.
As y'all can see by the title, I'm finally bringing y'all my curly hair tutorial. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna name it. I don't know if I'm gonna name it that or my wash and go or what. I don't know, but baby, it's here. The video is here. This is what y'all been asking me for. This is what y'all been waiting for. So if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, because baby, what? Subscribe. And also, if you like this video, go ahead and like it and chit chat with me in the comment section, because baby, y'all be being quiet and I don't like that. I likes to talk, okay? I likes to talk, so let's chit chat in the comment section down below. And I'm not gonna hold y'all. We're just gonna go ahead and get into this video. All right, ladies, so normally I will use a shirt to dry my hair after I've already washed and deep conditioned. Make sure y'all are deep conditioning your hair, ladies, very important. But on this day, I use just a hair towel, and it's okay to use a towel. Just make sure you are gently squeezing your hair and not just being rough and pulling on your hair when you're drying it. So here y'all see me just kind of examining my hair. Just so y'all know, I'm going to try to give y'all my hair type. I do have high porosity hair, and I am about a 3C-4A hair type. I'm 4A in the middle of my head. I say 4A, 4B, and then around my perimeters, I'm about a 3C. I'm gonna say a 3C, and I think in the front maybe a 3B. I don't know. I really don't get too much into that. Anywho, y'all see I kind of section off my hair. I have a water bottle. That's what that pink spray thing is. It's just water in there. I just kind of damp my hair up a little bit because I don't like to detangle my hair when it's just super dry. I like it to be a little damp. I have a wide tooth comb. And I always, ladies and gentlemen, always detangle your hair starting with your ends first and work your way to your roots. And depending on the density of your hair, section your hair off into pieces. So you see I took that back section and I sectioned it off into two, and I'm starting at the end and I'm working my way up. And then once, you know, I feel like it's detangled, then I'll put the section together and comb it through. And I'm going to repeat these steps throughout my entire head. Now, if you are a type of person that like to do your hair in sections, you can very well go ahead and start applying product to your hair. But me, look, child, I like stuff to flow. So I have to detangle my hair fully in its entirety, the whole head, before I can start applying product. So that's why I'm detangling my entire head first. But I do know some people who work in sections. They detangle, apply their product, and move on to the next part. And, you know, if that works for you, definitely do it. But for me, this is how I do it. Now, ladies, my hair lasts me literally a full 7 days. So that's 7 days of me not touching my hair. I'm not doing any combing of my hair for 7 whole days. So it's normal to have some shedding. Your hair sheds every single day. So usually when I wash my hair and detangle, I do have some shedding. So don't be alarmed if you have some little shedding in your comb, girl. It's okay. It's okay. It is okay, honey. Okay, so moving forward, so now y'all see me actually sectioning off my hair. I like to work in 3s, sometimes 4s. I think in this video I worked in 3s. I put the two little clips in the front, and then I work on that back section as a whole. Again, it all depends on the density of your hair, what you feel comfortable with. I'm gonna turn around. Look, girl, look at that part. Girl, what kind of parting did I do? Yeah, I know I'm wrong. Anyway, let me quit being crazy on this damn voiceover. Let me introduce y'all my product, Creme Nature Pure Honey Curl Activator. When I tell y'all that this product is bae, I really truly mean it. Like, me and this product, we're meant to be. We were made for one another. Like, what? If y'all haven't tried this product, try it. And if you have tried it and you didn't like it, then just follow my steps, because maybe you just needed to wait on me to tell you how to use it, because this is truly bae, okay? Now y'all see me brushing my hair with the Denman brush. I like to do that after detangling, because to me it just makes my hair kind of clump together, and it also just ensures that I got all the tangles out. So now we're going in with the product. So what I like to do is just put a generous amount in my hands, rub my hands together as y'all seen, and then I'm showing y'all, this is very, 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 very important. Y'all notice that I am slathering this product on my roots. I cannot stress this enough. Very important that y'all get y'all roots, baby. Get the roots. Get the roots. Get the roots. Get the roots. Okay? You want to make sure your roots are slicked down with this product. I've done my hair before without really giving my roots much attention, and I absolutely hated my wash and go. So again, this is major. Get your roots. As far as for the length of your hair, I personally like to finger detangle my hair, or I just like the finger detangle my hair. So as y'all see, I'm kind of just gliding the product through my hair with my fingers. I'm not using a Denman brush. I'm not using a comb. I'm not singling out my curls and twirling them around my finger. I can't think of what that's called. Yeah, I'm not doing none of that. I'm literally just raking this product through my fingers onto my hair, and I'm turning around so y'all can kind of see what my hair looks like after I have applied the product. It's shiny, my curls are popping, like, yes. I just hate that part I got in the back of my head, because what, girl, what was you doing? And for the rest of my hair, I'm going to do the exact same thing, the same method I was doing when I was detangling my hair. I'm going to do the same with applying this product. Now y'all notice how I kind of showed y'all that little dry patch? Y'all know the middle of my head, that's my problem. That's my problem child. That's my 4A hair. It's a little drier. It likes to fight me a little more than the rest of my hair. So I like to spray it with a little water, give it a little moisture, and then I go in with the product. To me, that's what works on my hair. You could try it on your hair and see if it works for you, or if not, to each his own. I'm just telling y'all what I do for my hair. What works for me may not work for the next person, okay? I'm just sharing what I do. And I probably should have said this in the beginning of the video, but I just thought about it. When y'all are doing your hair, don't have on your good clothes. Just find like an old t-shirt. I have my husband's t-shirt on. I don't know if it's old or new, child. I just threw it on. Ooh, child. Hopefully he don't see it. I think it's an old shirt. But anyway, you just need a little shirt that you don't care about, because one thing about it, the back of your neck is going to be sticky. The back of your shirt is going to be wet. Your shirt's going to be wet. Of course, you're dealing with wet hair. So let me just put that out there in case somebody, got something to say. I like to do is go ahead and section off my hair how I'm going to wear it. So if you're the type of person that wants to wear a middle part, go ahead and bust that part down the middle of your head and then finish adding your product on. I always style my hair how I'm going to wear it. So I am a side part girl. Child, yes, that's me, honey. So y'all see me kind of put the little part on the side, and now I'm going to still do the same thing that I've been doing, adding the product, but I'm just going to slick my hair down in the way that I'm going to wear it, if that makes sense. Remember, don't forget them roots, baby. Them roots are important. Don't forget them. Okay, so once you have the product over your whole head, I like to just go in and examine my hair, make sure I don't have any dry spots, make sure every strand of hair has the product in it, okay? I kind of rub down my roots to make sure my roots are flat, make sure, baby, I just be trying to do everything. I do kind of brush my little baby hairs. I'm a little bald on that side, y'all. My hair ain't never grew back from when I had postpartum shedding when I had my daughter, and child, she 4. I guess it ain't gonna never grow back, so just ignore that. Just ignore the little baldness on the side, child. That ain't y'all business. It ain't y'all business. Okay, so once you have the product in your head, you have 4 options. You can either, 1, air dry your hair, meaning just wear your hair like this. It'll dry, your curls will be popping, and it'll be cute. I don't like to air dry my hair because it always look like I don't know, it just look like I'm fresh out my mama's stomach. It look like I got a placenta perm, child. I don't like it. I just don't like the look. I like volume. So with that being said, you can do option 2, which is diffuse your hair, which I don't really like doing diffusing because, baby, I ain't got time to be bending over, putting my head in that little diffuser, and I ain't got time for it. So then that brings me to option 3. You can sit under a hooded dryer, which, child, I don't want my ears to be burning. I just don't. Or you have option 4, which is what I'm doing. I have a little blow dryer and I have it on medium heat. And as y'all can see, I'm just blow drying my hair. Notice I'm not raking my fingers through my hair. I'm literally just kind of holding the hair so that the hair can dry. Do not run your fingers through your hair. We do not want to break up those curls. We want to keep those curls clumped together. We want to do all of that, honey. Don't break them curls up. I'm just, so as y'all see, I'm kind of shaking the dryer, trying to get the heat everywhere, bouncing my head back and forth. During this time, I usually just play music, child. I be in there singing and dancing. I be doing all kind of stuff during this time right here. But I don't always do this. So a lot of the times I do air dry my hair because one thing about a wash and go, it gets bigger over time. And I love volume, but if you're wanting your hair to last 7 days, the best way to do it is to let your hair air dry and then allow your hair to get bigger over time. So each morning when you wake up, your hair is going to be bigger. And I love my hair when I'm at day 4. Oh, baby, the volume is everything. So yeah, you're just seeing me blow dry. So I'm not going to talk during this whole little segment. That's not a segment. I'm not going to talk while y'all watching me blow dry. All right, y'all. So my hair is about 85% dry at this point. I could have dried it 100%, but nah, I want my hair to last the full 7 days. So I'm going to let the rest air dry, and I'll save the volume for it to do it on its own. So I'm going in with my Xtreme Gel, and that's what I use on my edges, honey. I love it because I don't always have to apply product to my edges every day. In a 7-day time span, I probably apply this gel twice, 3 times if I'm going out. So I'm just kind of, doing my edges, y'all. I am not a hair person. I don't know how to do hair. I just don't. So y'all see me struggling with these edges. Just baby, just ignore it. I'm just trying to do what I can do to get me by. Okay. So yeah, I'm just kind of brushing these little edges up, making me some adult baby hairs. I don't know if I got some baby hairs, but these are my adult hairs. It's okay. It's fine. It's cute. So I can make my adult hairs and y'all don't talk about me too bad. Okay, so we got one more step. This is what I like to do. I like to go in with some type of shine product or hair silk to make my hair shine. This is my first time using the Cantu brand. And I actually like it, but usually I don't care what kind of brand it is when it comes to the shine. Anything that's going to give my hair a shine, I'm going to use it. And I'm just pretty much, ooh, bless me, girl. I'm just pretty much kind of putting it through my hair. Again, don't rake your fingers through your hair. I am a little bit because I want volume, but if you're wanting your hair to last the full 7 days, try not to mess with your hair. Try not to fluff it so much because, again, your hair gets bigger over time on its own naturally. So, but me, I like volume. So, child, for the sake of this video, I'm trying to give it some volume. But my day 1 hair, it does what it want to do. But y'all see them curls, baby? Y'all see that shine? Do y'all see that? Baby, do y'all see it? I should not be jamming it hard. Oh, I know I'm wrong. Let me edit some of this out because I'm too embarrassed. All right, if I'm going to do the video, I'm going to give y'all all my gems. Again, y'all done heard me say several times, I like volume. I do. So I am going to go ahead and show y'all how I kind of pick my hair. Why am I throwing my head back every time I do that? Girl, why am I this crazy? Whoo, child, y'all pray for me. Anywho, I'm picking the roots. Don't y'all take that comb through y'all entire head. You only need to pick your roots. That's it, honey. Pick the roots and let it be. And your hair is going to come out flawless, y'all. I promise you. And if you got to go in with a little bit more shine, then go in with the shine, honey. Do what you do. But I bet y'all hair is going to come out so flawless. And if y'all enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button. But I'm going to go ahead and take y'all to my outro. And I enjoyed y'all. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was very informative, and I hope you guys recreate this hairstyle. I want to see what y'all hair look like when y'all use Creme of Nature Pure Honey Curl Activator. Y'all, I've been using this for a long time. I found this product maybe about 9 months ago, and we've been stuck like glue. I use this product every single week, clearly because y'all see my hair like this in every freaking video. So yes, y'all go purchase this, go buy it, baby. Do what you gotta do, and it's only $5.99. $5.99. Y'all go get this product, put it on y'all hair, do it exactly the way that I did it, and y'all should have bomb results like this. I love my hair. I love this product. If they ever discontinue it, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But yeah. So also, y'all, are y'all liking the natural hair video? I mean, do y'all like this natural hair video? Because if so, I can do some more. We can do some more. We can keep this going. We can start a natural hair series. We can do all of this. So y'all just let me know down in the comment section what y'all want me to do, because I'm thinking my next video will be how I maintain my hair throughout the week. That's the next video, y'all. Okay guys, I'll see y'all in my next video, my next vlog. But hit that subscribe button, baby. Hello, hit it. Bye.
B-E-A-U-T-I